maghahanap ng iba. Marami. Dami. Kahit sa Korea, pwede. Sobrang grabe na ng kumpiyansa na yan. Hindi na matatanggap. Joshua Garcia daw. Pwede. Pwede na kay Daniel Padilla. Sobrang grabe na yan. Siyempre, Camille Victoria.
Faith is such a lover girl, guys. I feel like she's very proud and as she should. Faith and Steph, lover girl. Just like what Ate Dani said. Steffi, kasi she just loves hubby so much. Hubby yung call signs nila. Hi, hubby!
I think the teammate that would be the best romantic movie is actually me. Well, I've handled my relationship very well. And we've overcome some trials. Kaya masasabi kong we're very mature in our relationship kahit na medyo young pa